Christmas everyone! Welcome to Gallery Tots. My name is Tess and I'm an educator for Geelong Gallery. Today I'm going to show you how you can print your own Christmas cards from home for your family and friends, inspired by Australian artist Eric Thake. Eric Thake started making Christmas cards for his family and friends in 1941, when there was a Christmas card shortage due to the war. Everyone loved the cards so much that he continued the tradition of printing Christmas cards each year for over 30 years. To create your own monoprint Christmas cards, you will need a pencil, some paper, a sheet of aluminium foil, some paint, a foam brush or a paintbrush, some masking tape, and some cotton tips. Firstly, tape your foil to the surface that you're working on. Then fold your piece of paper in half, creating a card, and place it onto the foil. Using a pencil, draw around the shape of the card, like so. And then use masking tape to stick inside the shape that you've just traced. And this will allow for a lovely border on your Christmas card and also prevent your hands from getting too much paint on them while you're printing your card. Once that's done, you can use your paintbrush or your foam brush to apply paint to the inside of the shape, like so. Try to stay in the lines if you can, but sometimes that's easier said than done. There we go. And then use your cotton tips to make a nice design on your paint. So I'm going to use some very simple shapes to create my design. Triangle and a rectangle to create a tree, and then do some lines to create a star on top. Because every good Christmas tree needs a star, I think. There we go. And then I suppose we better put some decorations on our tree as well. So again, using some simple lines, there's some tinsel. Maybe you'd like to do some dots for lights or baubles, like that. I might just go back over those so they're nice and bold in our design, like so. Then we're going to get our piece of paper and we need to print our design back to front. So I'm going to print it this way, so the card's opening what looks like the wrong way, but once it's printed it will be the right way, if that makes sense. So I'm going to press that down, use my fingertips to press the design into the card, and then we lift it up to reveal our monoprint Christmas card, all ready to gift to one of your family or friends. We would love to see your Christmas card creations, so please share them with us via social media by tagging @Geelong Gallery and using the hashtag Gallery Tots. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.